Hi, new third graders. This is Miss Valone, and I'll be your teacher this year. I'm so excited for you to come join us. This is our virtual open house. We're going to show you some cool things that happen in our classroom, and then I'm going to take you on a tour. Some important information for your adults. This box has my information. We'll send some things home with you on the first day of school. We're going to use Class Tag this year to communicate and to share some pictures and exciting things that you are doing in our class. We're ready to soar to success in room 111. We're very excited to show you all the fun stuff we're going to do. Some things about me. This is me, Miss Valone. I've been a third grade teacher at Woodland for 7 years. I went to Western Kentucky University where I learned how to teach elementary education and technology education. So we're going to do some fun things virtually and here in the classroom. And a fun fact about me, I really like Batman. There's going to be a lot of Batman in my classroom. This is a sample schedule. We're going to have reading, math, writing, science, and social studies, all the things you're looking forward to. We'll have some breaks to take our masks off and have some brain breaks. We'll have lunch and lifetime in the middle of our day, and we have specials at the end of the day this year: computer, art, music, and PE. School supplies are here at school. They're provided for you. Each student has their own individual set of supplies, and we have everything we need to keep you safe at school. So now's the fun part. We're going to take you on a tour of our classroom.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Signorino, and I will also be in this classroom with Miss Valone and you, and I'm also very excited for our new school year. I will be here half of the day working with you guys, and I can't wait to get started. I also went to Western Kentucky University and then finished up at the University of Louisville. I've been here at Woodland a long time, over 20 years. I've been here at Woodland as a teacher. I absolutely love Woodland, and I love Woodland kids, and I can't wait to see you again. And now we're going to show you a little bit of what the inside of your room is going to look like. It's different than we've ever seen.
Okay.
You'll have your desk will have your space marked for you. That'll give you, each desk will give each student their own personal space. You'll each have your own materials. You won't be sharing a box of crayons. You have your own box of crayons. Everybody will have all of their books in their desk. Miss Valone and I are going to work real hard the next 3 days to get your names on your desk so you know where you're going to be sitting. And when you're at school, this will be your personal safe space where you'll do most of your work. You got anything to add, Miss Valone?
No, I do not. So that's our virtual open house of Miss Signorino and Miss Valone's third grade class. We can't wait to see you next week.